So the Paws payment is live now. So what you're going to do is come to your Phantom wallet and then go to Paws.community. Then once you have the Paws.community, then you're going to come to TG dashboard. You're going to see TG dashboard, and then you scroll, and then you see, once you scroll up, you see next button, then you click on claim. So once you click on claim, you mark this button here, and then you click on continue. Then when you click on continue, you can see centralized exchanges. Then you click on it. Then you see your Bybit or BitGet, any which one you want to use. Then you click, I'm using Bybit. So do you have a Bybit account? You will need your UID and Paws deposit address to receive token on Bybit. So then I have a Bybit account already, so I'm going to just go for yes, I do. So now I'm going to go to my Bybit now. I'm going to go to my Bybit, and then Bybit. Once I get to my Bybit, I'm going to click on deposit, and then so once I click on deposit, I'm going to click on, and then you see deposits here. So I'm going to search for Paws. So search for Paws. So you click on it, then you see Solana. That is how to do it. It's as very easy like that. Then you click on copy. So I've copied it like that. Then I'm going to come back to my Phantom, as you can see. So, and then I'm going to put my deposit wallet address. I'm going to paste it. Then go back to my Bybit again as well and copy my Bybit UID. I'm going to copy my Bybit UID. So I click on it and I've copied it. It is very easy. And then I will paste it here. So add your UID and deposit address to receive token by Bybit. As you can see, the UID is here. Then I have put my wallet address, which is for Paws, and I'm going to click on continue. And then if you take note, they said there's going to be a 3% deduction from what you want to claim. So take note of that. Can you see? Check your data, verify the data. You will not receive token if the information entered is incorrect. Your Bybit UID must be correct, and your deposit wallet address must be correct. And then you click on continue, and then as you can see, and I click on confirm. That is what, and then as you can see, done. You will receive your token in your Bybit account before trading starts. Then I click on finish. So that is it, your allocation, and that is it. That is how you can do it. Quickly rush ahead and go and do it before we start having massive traffic into the website. If this video has helped you in one or two ways, please like this video, drop a good comment, and share this video. And you're going to see me in another new video.